Welcome back to episode 6 of Pragmata. Um, so my game crashed and when I recorded it a little earlier, and so I made progress, but none of the footage was
Hey there, Hugh.
catched. So
Someday I'll be a skateboarding pro. I'm not super good yet, but I'm trying.
Sounds good to me. Skating's pretty cool once you get the hang of it.
Really? You think that's cool?
Yeah, learning to thrash at your age would be awesome.
No way. Then I've got work to do. Huh? They're floating. But how? Gas? I want more REMs, Hugh. The balloons are so cute how they float like that. Wait a sec. If we make lots more and tie them to me, do you think I could fly?
Not a bad idea.
Really? Then I can fly?
Not gonna lie, a bunch of kids have already tried that. But on the moon, it might actually work.
I'm gonna make it happen. Flowers! Were these the ones from the Terradome?
You getting along okay with that janky bot with the funny dad hat?
They have a name, you know. It's Cabin.
They're like two peas in a pod.
They're really nice. They call me Little One.
Little one? They don't even call you by your name? Diana, have you ever had a dream?
I don't need sleep.
No. I mean, have you ever wanted something to come true?
Huh? Like a prediction? I make those all the time.
Look at you, you little daydreamer.
man, can't wait to get attached with the girl and something bad happened to her.
An impeccable choice. Triple bingo! Congratulations!
Drone hive.
for the simulation test.
The box won't react well to that.
Give him a little shock, shall we?
Income.
Oh, crap!
Overdrive protocol. On standby. Oh, if only we had a unit to delete nodes.
You're going down.
Analysis complete.
Man, that's fast.
Look out!
Just a weather storm? That's it?
Great. Just great.
Move, you!
It's my turn. Check. Take this!
Auto hack.
Take that!
Yay! Income.
Take this!
Careful! It's going to jump! Analysis complete.
Back off!
Get back! Be careful! Get back! Overpass naval side.
Yeah, let's do this! Lightning on the moon, huh? Great idea.
I think I like the happy weather more.
Me too.
Is everything sorted for the big inspection by management next week?
Yeah, we just need to list the soil sample data from the lightning labs we ran earlier.
The study to enrich soil fertility with nitrogen oxide via artificial lightning. Think we have what it takes to knock the CEO's socks off?
We've always known the benefits were there, but the current model was just too cost prohibitive. But if we use lightning generators made for them, we can get positive results at a fraction of the price.
promising. This might be what we need to get biomass back in the dead zones. Good. Very good. Let's name the report How Lightning Will Save Our Earth.
That's the last one.
All right, now we're talking. And please, no more chips.
Let's reboot that regulator and go help 8.
Yep. On it.
Got it.
Good job, kid.
Its laser's warming up.
You're going down.
Move, you. You.
Take this.
Look out for its targeting sensor. Its laser's warming up. Look out.
Check. Take this.
Yay!
Now it's my turn. Take this.
Get ready.
Yes.
Stasis mine. Incoming. Its laser's warming up. Move, you.
Get off.
Yay! This is fun. Jump, you.
Let's do this.
What is this bread?
going down.
Auto hack. Right back at you. You.
It's on now, TK. Take this!
Oh, look, label. Jump, you.
It's over.
How's the listening?
You got something?
Mm-hmm. There's REM data nearby. Let's take it back to the shelter. I'm detecting a mod. Gotta get them all, right? Let's go grab it.
Well, when you put it that way, how can I resist?
How did we find this?
Guess it's my turn. Is that it?
I think I found an REM. Ew, let's check it out.
All right, all right. You got something?
Mm-hmm. There's REM data nearby. Let's take it back to the shelter.
As it should. Still doesn't have...
Look! More branches!
Just need to slot in one more chip.
Now we can reach that door!
Can't believe we had to go through all this for one regulator.
I think I'm sensing a strong bot nearby.
Got it. Better stay on our toes. This guy again?
I think they're infecting something.
Damn it. Damn, don't look. These are shooting to me.
This place is warming up! Get ready! Here it comes again!
Come on, enough already.
Stay away from the red circle!
Try!
Phew!
Take this!
Stay away from the red circle!
Try!
Be careful! This place is charging again!
Stubborn, Uncle Joe.
Analysis complete.
check. Take this!
Get ready.
Weather actually It's on now. Take this!
So close. Just a little bit more.
All right, time to kick this bucket. Glad that's over.
We still gotta reboot that regulator, Hugh.
Oh, yeah. Right. Let's have a look.
Wow. Now you can hold more units.
Whew. Won't say no to that. Of all the places to put this thing.
Yay, the trees are gone.
Then let's get on that lift and go. So, we finally get to meet 8. I wonder what her deal is. Could she be the scientist that made you?
I don't think so.
You remember something?
No, it's not that. I just feel like she's someone important to me.
I see. Then we better step on it.
I'll come back for the other things. Off camera.
Diana, you're here. Thank you.
So you're 8. What on earth happened here?
While I was preparing to depart for Earth, a moonquake struck, damaging Edis. The bots, these trees, everything went out of control. You can see how well I fared.
Moonquake. I lost my team when it hit.
If we can access the mainframe, we could force Edis offline with this stop code. As Pragmata, we're equipped with the ability to overwrite a system's programming. That same power lies within you, Diana. There's nothing like that in my memory. I see. How unfortunate.
Well, let's see what we can do about that tree.
I'm sorry. I'm no help. That's not true. You've made it this far, haven't you? We can stop Edis together.
Doesn't look like we can do anything here. But there's another place we can check. We'll shut Edis down, and then we'll head to Earth.
Hold on, 8. We'll get you out of there. Thank you.
You two look like twins.
Yeah.
What's up?
8 sure seemed driven.
Yeah. Not sure why she wants to go to Earth, but guess that'll come after we bust her out. Should be another regulator down below, one that can clear that tree. Let's go find it.
Think Cabin will like that?
I can hear the sound of waves.
think this is a good place to stop.
I've been playing with that.
Oh yes, this is one of our more popular items. Much appreciated.
What's that? If I leave the balloons out, will they pop?
The balloons all okay?
Yep, they're all there.
Look at you go. I was always popping or losing every balloon I saw. What's wrong?
Well, the truth is, I did lose one.
That's all part of what makes balloons fun. Don't sweat it. Filament eraser, huh? Pretty cool that you get new abilities like that.
I know. I'm so happy. I'll be able to help you even more than before.
I'm counting on you.
Yep, I'm ending episode 6 here. Thank you, goodbye.